Hello, all you people out there. My name is Silva, and welcome to another tech video. Today in this tech video, I'll be showing you guys how you can access the map editor in American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator 2 for version 1.36, and possibly up if they ever decide to keep this way. So what you're going to need to do is first you're going to need to open your file explorer right here, and you're going to need to go to your documents folder or wherever you store your American Truck Simulator like documents files, which for me, as I said, it's in the documents folder. And then you're going to need to scroll down till you find a file called Config.cfg or config. This is your configuration file, because this is how the first step of how you are able to access the editor. What you are going to then need to do is hit Ctrl F, and this will allow you to find values inside of it. So the first thing you're going to need to find is type in there G_console. Once you do that and find it, you'll notice that there will be a value and quotation marks. That will be a 0 value. You need to then change that 0 value to a 1 value, because that enables the console in game. And so once you have done that, that's only half of the things you need to do. What you then need to do is then find G_developer, find that, and then change that value from a 0 to a 1. And now you are prepped and almost ready to access the map editor. But for versions 1.36, things have changed. You can no longer just enter the game and access the console and type in edit. What you need to then do nowadays is you need to go ahead and create a shortcut on your desktop. What you need to do is then find a location of your exe file. So what you need to then do is go where you store your Steam games. For me, I store it on my E drive. So what you do is you go to wherever you store your Steam games, which you go here, you go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then go to American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator, depending on which simulator you actually use. Once you have done that, you need to go to the bin folder in American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator 2. Go to Windows 64, or you can go to the other one if you use a 32-bit system, but frankly, no one uses that nowadays. So just go to this one, and there's your exe file right there. Once you've found your exe file, you click OK, and that finds the location of your item. And after you're done finding the location of your file, what you then need to do is do this one step, which is very important, because this is how you actually are able to get into the editor. You see the little quotation mark right there after the end of the location string? What you need to do is hit the spacebar and type in -edit, if I can actually spell it. Once you do that, that will then create an argument that allows you to instantly access the editor instead of going into the game. What you then do is hit next and create a name for the shortcut. This can be anything, but personally I like to call it ATS editor or ETS2 editor, because it makes it easier to find on your desktop. Once you do that, you hit finish, and since I already have my shortcut named that way, I don't want to replace it, and as you can see, it appears right there. All you have to do now is open it, and as you can see, Steam detects that you have created a shortcut and you're going into the game, but with one exception. You have an edit argument, which allows you to go straight into the editor and bypass the game. What you then need to do is click OK, and it will launch straight into the editor. And that's how you access the editor in American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator 2 for versions 1.36. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tech video, which I hope you did, then I will hopefully make more in the future. And so I'll see all of you in the next video I do. Bye-bye!